So it was wonderful. Dry, clean place, showers. And I was looking forward to sleeping as late as I wanted. And I was up at 6. I didn't realize how much I missed sleeping with the fan. I slept like a baby. But I'm going to go check out the outfitter. Maybe hit the post office. Anyway, I got stuff to do and a shuttle to catch. But I am clean, comfortable. Life is good. And I've got going to include some of the information for the church. If you want to donate to them, let them know how much you appreciate them helping hikers. That would be awesome. I left a donation there, but yeah, it was just really great to have a safe, clean place to sleep. All right, now in Redding, see about getting to the room, maybe hitting a Dollar Tree. Neat looking town so far. So here's the room. Me and Short Circuit are going to call home. Get to tell you to stay. I don't want you to move from that spot for another day. And it is clean. It's cool. About as nice as any Motel 6 I've been in. Except maybe Mojave.
And it doesn't smell as bad as we do.
It smells better than we do, but that's not a high bar. It's about 110 out here. That's all right. 2 o'clock we checked in. We're gonna get laundry done. Mr. Short Circuit's in the shower right now. And there's a pool. So after we run our errands, I bet this pool feels nice. It is hot and dry, but we are walking to the Dollar Tree and we're gonna get food. I don't know how much footage I've gotten, but we've watched our movie, we've eaten non-stop, and now we're going to spend the day catching transport back to Burney. And whether we make it back to the trail today kind of depends. There's some fried chicken we need to check out.
We do. And then once we have the fried chicken and we sit down, and we're just like, yeah, might as well stay in town. So, not really excited to go.
We might get to trail today, but we might stay the night in Burney.
See the smoke in the distance among the clouds. Big fire.
It's about 4:25, and Short Circuit, we got here a little while ago. Short Circuit went to drop off some stuff at the church for a hiker box and get them some fried rice to pack out. And I was thinking with the smoke, we're going to have a beautiful sunset. But we've already got the red sunlight. So now we just got to get out to the road and try to hitch up. Thinking about grabbing something to eat from the Blackberry restaurant, but I'm really not that hungry right now, so I think we're fixing to head out here in just a few minutes. Oh, here comes the breeze. So, Short Circuit really needed Wi-Fi. We stopped here at the Blackberry Patch restaurant, thinking that they had Wi-Fi, and they did not have it available for us. The fire to the south of us is putting out a lot of smoke, but I'm heading that way. So I'm going to try to hitch out and see if I can at least get a couple of miles in. So the cloud, or the smoke, moved overhead to actually catch the edge of the sun, and tried hitching. I was walking up the road, got to the grocery outlet, and who gives me a ride? It was the locals that had given me a chili dog the other day. They had remembered me, gave me a ride. They said, yes, the smoke is getting up here, but the fire is still far away. Got however far to the trailhead right over here, and then if it looks too bad, it's only 8 miles to Burney Falls State Park. I'm sure I could always bail out there. So it's 6 o'clock, getting my trekking poles out, and it's about 4 miles to where I thought I might camp, but I've got 3 bottles of water, and my pack is heavy. Part of that is because resupply in town Not used to it. Went to the Dollar Tree and got stuff, and then went to Walmart and got stuff, and realized I had gotten repeats, but just more incentive to eat more. All right, I'm getting going. It's 6 o'clock. That's the smoke coming from that way. And there's still some of the lava rock around. It's been a lot of just dirt and trees, and now that the sun's down, there was a little while it was hot. It was between the smoke and above the trees. Now it's behind the trees, it's all right. Whenever I first started off, the thermometer only read 90 degrees, so it hasn't been bad. Got another lava flow. I don't think I have to go over that one. We'll see. All right, 7:30. Gonna go. I've got water, but I'm gonna need water tomorrow too. Came from that way. Been a pretty nice hike, except for the heartburn I got from that, all the onions and that on the burger I ate before I left town. Anyway, found a camp spot. Get me some cool, clear spring water. Make camp. I don't think I'm going to be able to choke down a dinner, but I can at least get to work on some of these bars I've got. So coming down, this part of the trail was easy to see, but it's steep, and I was coming down. Tomorrow, I'm going to regret that, because the trail today had been pretty much flat. So now I just have to figure out where does the trail pick up after this. Well, here's the campsite, and there's dead branches, or maybe even significant dead branch. A lot of dead branches over here. Whole dead tree here. A couple of them. So, not much of a campsite. But there's no way I'm hiking all the way back up to find another one. Go check that one out over there. It might be promising. And then I'll go down. I'll grab my water filter, because I'm not quite down to the spring, which sounds more like a big creek or a small river. Clouds are getting closer to the horizon, so might not be much of a sunset. And I'm keeping it simple tonight. Mosquitoes came out for a little while, and I had thought about setting up my tent, either at the church or the hotel. I think I lost my bag with tent stakes, so I could use rocks, but I don't think it'll be an issue. And I bet that I don't have rain before I get to an outfitter where I can buy tent stakes. So I'm going to shut off the phone, get some sleep, see if I can get an early start tomorrow. Man, the sky is orange.